this science class, we will learn how to solve questions. In the last class, we have completed our lesson number 1, that is plant preparing food and storing the food. This lesson we have completed in the last 2 classes, isn't it, my dear students? But today what we have to learn, how to answer some simple questions, and also how to write the short answers for any question. Okay, this you have to also learn because you can write the concept in your own word. You have to make sentences and you have to understand the concept first, and you can prepare your own sentence and you can write the answers your own. But before going to the exercise, let us revise the concepts. Let us revise the lesson. Okay, the first lesson, that is plant preparing and storing food. In that, the first part is about the parts of a plant. A plant having parts, how many parts are there? Roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. These are the main parts of a plant. Then we learned about leaf in detail. Okay, which are the main parts are in the leaf? There is midrib, side veins, then leaf blade, then petiole, then stomata. Yes, stomata we can't see because the small spare pores are present inside the leaf that we can't see. Through microscope only we can see. Okay. Then what we learned? We learned about what we have learned. We have learned about the photosynthesis process. How a leaf, what is the main function of leaf? Preparing food for the entire plant. And preparing food also, what a plant do? A leaf do? The transpiration process. See here, transpiration process means the evaporation of water droplets from the leaf. The water droplets iruttalla, adu evaporate andre hoge agi ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That we can't see because it is invisible. Okay, the small amount of water vapors are coming out. That is called as transpiration process. Yes, a leaf having several functions, but one of the function is preparing their own food by photosynthesis process. Do you know what is the process? In this process, what happened? The plant and the chlorophyll inside the leaf, see here, it traps sunlight, isn't it? And then the stomata present in the leaf, what it do? It sucks the air, means carbon dioxide from the air, and from soil the leaf gets water. By mixing these elements, what releases? Glucose and oxygen. Oxygen, that is very much important for human beings for breathing. Isn't it, my dear students? This is about the photosynthesis process. Then, what we have learned? We have learned about unusual plants. And the plants doesn't have green color. Non-green plants like mold on bread. Yes, these are the 2 examples. Then we learned about some amazing thing, that is insectivorous plants. Which are they? Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew. These are the few examples for insectivorous plant. Then what we learned? We learned about energy flow. How energy flows from sunlight to animals. But there should be balance between plants and animals. Isn't it, my dear students? To keep balance in the nature, there should be number of plants is equal to number of animals. This much information we have from this lesson. To grow plants, some programs are there, that are Van Mahotsava, and wildlife sanctuaries are there, zoo, national park, that are or prevents or they give shelter for animals. By this, we can keep balance between number of animals with number of plants. This is it. This is the review of our lesson. Now let us move on to the exercise work. Okay. In the exercise work, we will see each and every question one by one. Okay. In your screen, one main question will appear. See, A is to choose the correct answers. In this, the 4 options are there, and in this 4 option, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. One by one, I am going to read the question, and you have to give me answer. Okay. This is the simplest one. You know, you can give the answer correctly. Okay. First one is, which of the following is known as the food factory of a plant? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಫುಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಂತ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೀಫ್ ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ? ಎಸ್, ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದ ಅನದರ್ image having answers, and in that you have to correct your answers. Okay, ready? Then the second question is, dash is the form in which plants make food. In which form plants prepare ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Food prepare ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Food ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, the B, glucose. Okay. Which of the following byproduct of photosynthesis is used by human to breathe? ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಎಸ್. Then the fourth one is, dash obtains food from dead and decayed plants and animals. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, keep in mind. Okay, you have to check afterwards. And fifth one is, dash plants trap the energy of the sun to prepare food. Yes, all these are the questions. I have answered few questions. Okay, now you have to check your answer by this second image. Yes, all the answers are correct, isn't it? Now let us move on to the B, fill in the blanks. In that, first question is, main vein performs the transportation of dash water and food to the leaf. Main vein ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಟು ಲೀಫ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, your guess is correct. That is Vana Mahotsava. The leaves of a plant kept in dark do not produce. See, what is the meaning of this line? Means, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ here the answer will be food. Fourth one is, dash of the cactus plant prepares food. I have told you what is cactus plant. Cactus plant is unusual plant, and in that cactus plant it doesn't have leaves. How come it prepares food then? See your answer afterwards. Okay, you have to check your answers. Now the fifth one, extra food is stored in the form of dash in the leaves, stems or root. I have told you, ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್. ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. Okay, what is that? Which plant is this? Keep in mind. Okay, pores on the underside of the leaf that we call as stomata. Yes, a substance which makes leaves appears green. ಆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, your guess is correct. Chlorophyll. The main vein running along the center, that is called as midrib. Yes, food prepared by the plant in the form of food ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Leaves in the form of, yes, I will take a letter. Okay, the World Environmental Day is observed on, do you know, recently we have celebrated this day, World Environmental Day. On which day? What is the date for this day? That is 5th June. Okay, here the answers will appear. You can check your answers one by one. Yes, this is what about some questions. Now let us move on to the short answer questions. My dear students, short answer questions means what? You have to understand the questions first. Means what is the question asked, you have to understand. And you have to prepare your own sentence. By your own, you can answer the question. It is not exactly like I told, but whatever the answer, that should be correct by yourself. Okay? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬರೀತೀರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕಲಿತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? Yes. Now we will start with the next question, that is short answer question. You have to answer the question in 2 to 3 lines. Okay? Should we start? Here the questions are appeared. The first question is, provide the names of the different parts of a leaf. ಇದೇನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಒಂದು ಲೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? in detail we have learned about plant leaf. Okay? Which are the main parts? Midrib, side wing, petiole and leaf blade. Apex, the tip of the plant we call as apex. If you want to draw a leaf, you can draw. Okay, by drawing a leaf you can show the main parts. Then now the next question is, what is chlorophyll? Explain its significance in plant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here chlorophyll means what? The green color substance is present inside the leaf, that is nothing but chlorophyll. And what it do? It helps to prepare their own food. It traps the sunlight, isn't it? Then let us move on towards the third one. You can see the question as well as answer on this image. Okay, read it very carefully. You will get to know the correct answer about the question. Define the term photosynthesis. Now here you know the process of photosynthesis. You can give your answer by your own word. Means what? Here 3 things you have to keep in mind. Photosynthesis process means preparing food using what? Sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. From where it gets? Sunlight, which chlorophyll trap. Then air, in the air carbon dioxide is present. And from the soil the leaf sucks what? Water and minerals. And mixing all those things, what a leaf prepare food for the entire plant. This whole procedure is called as photosynthesis process. As simple as that, isn't it, my dear students? Yes, you have to understand the concept first, then you can write the answer very easily. Let us move on to the fourth question, that is, what are the insectivorous plant? Here I have shown some images and also a video for example about Venus flytrap. That is one of the insectivorous plant, isn't it? What it did? Yes, it trapped the insect, yes, by their mouth, just like a monster. Okay, I will show you again the video. Just observe the video what the Venus flytrap insectivorous plant is doing. Yes, my dear student, isn't that amazing and horrible too? The monstrous plant is there. Name is Venus flytrap. What are the insectivorous plants? The plants which eats animals, insects, small animals, insect, and they live on that animal. Also they can eat flesh. Here trapping and consuming insect, small animals. For example, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap and sundew. These are the examples for insectivorous plant. Now let us move on to the fifth one, that is what are fungi, and give two examples. Fungi means what? That are non-green plants. We have seen the fungi grown on a bread. Yes? How it grows? If you put a bread for 4 to 5 days aside, then on that bread the fungus will grow, and that is called as mold on a bread. Then the answer will be fungi are non-green plants which cannot produce their own food and depends upon dead decay plants. Mold on bread and mushroom are the two examples for this fungus. Okay. Now the last question is about how are plants and animals interdependent on each other. ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು interdependent ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? See, animal eats plant. So animal's food is what? Plant. Here the dependence is there, isn't it? Then plants, what it provides? It provides shelter. Plants and trees provides us, and birds, animals, that are the shelter for these two things. Okay. Then what a tree do or a plant do? It release oxygen through photosynthesis process, and which is much more important for human beings to breathe. Isn't it, my dear students? Yes. This is all about our exercise work. Okay, I will send the complete notes of this lesson exercise, and you have to write in your classwork. Okay, next time you have to come and you have to prepare your classwork. Okay, in the next class we will learn and we will start next lesson in science.